President Wirtz, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm happy to be here in front of you to present, as Tim just said, the first ever European Athletics Women's Leadership Award, and to announce the first winners of the European Athletics Future Women Leaders Scholarships.
This award that I am accepting on behalf of the other women in Europe has brought some highlights in Iceland to the work of women, and actually it's just a positive thing for sport in general. It will encourage other women to take part in the future, and especially for the elite athletes who are in the late career to give back to the sport, or because they have the heart for it, they have the vision for it, and they have the knowledge to do something.
Well, the award has been created, is there now, because we must raise the issue and the awareness about the women in leadership positions. I think that we can still have many more women in leadership positions at all levels. I think this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many more women who have lots of capacities and have done lots of things which are important to us, to athletics, because it's all about athletics and about coaching, about bringing youth to athletics, or being supportive to older athletes and even to structures.
This piece of artwork that we chose as a special prize for the women's leaders is a special piece of art, and it has an original signature on each one of them and a numbering on one of them. So it sort of creates a connection and a bond between every one of the winners. Her story in itself is also something special because it depicts several of the things that she wasn't allowed to do when she was young. So what she depicted is the strength of women, the aspiration they have to rise up to leadership.
Well, my advice for other women to go into leadership roles, what I have done throughout my career for 35 years, I've tried to set up high goals, then it's more possible that you can come close to them, and inspired women that they can do whatever they want to do. They just need to believe in themselves, and then they can do it.